All right, same thing goes as we've been doing. First, we write our matrix in the augmented format. So we have a 1, minus 1, then a minus 5, minus 1, 3, 5, 37, and a 4, a 3, a 3, and a 20. So these numbers are a lot bigger, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer to get to where we need to go. So I think I'm going to take a row 1 plus row 2, and that's my new row 2. I'm going to take a minus 4 times row 1 plus row 3, and that's my new row 3. That way I make those two equal 0. Okay, so first row will stay the same. I have that plus that, that's going to give me a 0. That plus that's going to give me a 4. Minus 1 plus 5 is a 4. Minus 5 plus 37 is going to be 32. And now I have minus 4 times that plus that is going to give me a 0. Minus 4 plus that's going to be a minus 1. Minus a minus is going to be 4 plus 3, which is going to be a 7. And then we have, what do we have? That's going to be 20 plus 20, so that's going to be 40. Okay. All right. So next things, let's see. How about let's switch these. So I don't have to divide by 4 here. I could just switch these and say, okay, how about a minus row 3 interchanged with row 2? Okay, so that makes it a plus and it also puts it into that position. So sometimes the least amount of work is what you want to do on these. Sometimes it's not intuitive. You can do multiple things. There's nothing that's wrong. It's just sometimes one way might just be a little bit harder than the other way. And then we have 0, 4, 4, 32. Okay. Now I need to make this a 0, so I'm going to take a minus 4 row 2 plus row 3 is my new row 3. And so I have 1, 1, minus 1, minus 5, and 0, 1, minus 7, minus 40, and 0, and that's going to be minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Then it's going to be what 28 plus 4, so that's what 32. That's going to be what 160 plus that, so that's going to be 192. So big numbers here. Okay. Now I'm going to use my calculator here, and I'm going to see if 192 divided by 32 is equal. Yep. So what we're going to do now is going to take 1 over 32 of row 3 and make that my new row 3. And so that's 1, 1, minus 1, 5. It's negative. Then I have 0, 1, minus 7, 40, and 0, 0, 1, and that's equal to 6. Okay, easy enough. All right, so now I need to take 7 times row 3 plus row 2, and that's my new row 2. And I need to take row 3 plus row 1, and that's my new row 1. And that will give me zeros here. Okay, so my bottom row, 0, 0, 1, 6, is going to stay the same. And then I'm going to take 7 times that plus that's going to be 0. So it's going to be 0, 1, 0. Then I'll 7 times 6 is 42 plus, wait. Where did my 192? Oh, it became 6. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, where did it go? That's a minus. That's okay. So that's 42 minus 40. So that's going to be a 2. Sometimes when you're doing these, you see things that you dropped out of it here. So I dropped that negative from here. So I have to remember to put it back. And then I'll take, the last thing is to do this row plus that row. So that's going to be a 1, a 1, a 0, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. All right. So now what do we need to do? Well, we need to make this a 0. So I'm going to take a minus row 2 plus row 3 as my, oops, row 1, not 3. Row 1 is my new row 1. Now, so I'm going to have a 1, a 0, a 0, minus that plus that, so it's going to give me a minus 1, then 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 6. So it looks like my solution in triplet form is minus 1, 2, 6, if I have everything correct. Okay, now we do the check. So for 1, I'm going to have x, which is a minus 1, plus y, which is 2, minus 6, and that's supposed to equal to a negative 5. Well, that's going to be a minus 4 minus 1, so it's minus 5, so that works. Here we have minus 1, so it's going to be 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 5 times 6, and that's supposed to be 37. So I have 36, 37, so that works. Here I have 4 times negative 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 6. And so that's going to be what? 18 and then 24. So it's going to be at 20. So that's what it's supposed to be equal. So that works. So that means that is my solution to this problem. All right, let's stop on that one and we'll come back for some more.